in his book Argonaut of Western Pacific. Argonaut of Western Pacific, 1922, describes a set of activities among two Islander regarding ritual exchange people call Kula. In this ceremonial Kula exchange, men on one of the island have their trading partner on the other island. They exchange two type of ritual object: red shell necklace, red necklace known as Tolaba, and white shell bracelet known as Mawali. These ritual objects move in opposite direction. Red shell necklace Soluba travel in clockwise direction. On the other hand, white shell bracelet Mawali travel in anti-clockwise. These ritual objects have no practical value, no commercial importance, but their importance is ritual and social. A person gives person of another island necklace. In return, the person of the another island return bracelet. These ritual objects are exchanged. A person who receive a bracelet keep it for a certain time and then pass on to the other person in other island. In this way, it shows the importance who has given which type of necklace to which partner. So it indicates closeness of social relationship. If a person is close to a, he will give good piece of necklace. On the other hand, his close friend will return also good piece of bracelet. So it indicates closeness of relationship. Secondly, in the exchange of these ritual object, there is no bargaining and there is no haggling. Yes, of course, after this ritual exchange is over, then they exchange object of practical importance. So they realize that in between among close partner there should be no bargaining, especially when the ritual exchange is going on. This ceremonial trading exchange among true Islander is known as Kula ring. The Kula ring is rooted in, Malinowski say that The Kula ring is rooted in myth, backed by traditional law, and surrounded in mystery. So the cultural significance of this ritual exchange under Kula ring is preservation of Truvrian culture, and secondly, the message of this exchange to the world community is that the Truvrian islander spend so much of their energy, so great energy in this ritual exchange, not for profit, but to promote their social relation they prize most and culture they intend to preserve. So this is the great message of exchange to the world. In the pursuit of honor, they undertake sea voyage and suffer a lot, only to exchange these ritual object, necklace and bracelet among their friends in the other islands. Thanks.